It's really easy to get started and generate money. And the reason for I want you to consider Kindle publishing is because it's a really simple business model. It's really actually simple, and I would say not so hard to learn. It doesn't require a lot of skill set. I believe that most people can jump into this and start making money, and especially if you're thinking about creating your first income online, this is a really good business model to get started with. And that's actually, the situation with a lot of people today. They get started with Kindle publishing because it's just an easy business to get into.